Yo, what's the big old deal? It's your boy City Celeb KB. Today I got two double bangers for y'all. We got Dago versus LA, man. You already know it's gonna go up. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Heavy on the likes, you already know. Let's get it.
My name is Rez. I play wide receiver and I'm mic'd up at City Celebs. City Celebs, let's go. City Celebs.
Mic'd up at City Celebs.
City Celebs.
With City Celebs, man. Turn up, man. You know what I'm saying? We teeing up.
City Celebs, give me that.
Niggas in my city, man. Shout out to City Celebs, man.
Rock and roller! It's time to ride, baby!
Hands here. Hands here. Let's go.
Jeez! Loud. Hey! Oh! Hey! Let's go! Keep! Let's go! Hey! Let's go, baby! Whoa!
They say SYFL ain't got no competition, huh? We done beat the out of all you.
Feel that! Feel that! This is our
This home field,
This
baby.
is our
This home field.
This is our Y'all got that? Y'all got that? Y'all got that? Y'all got that? It's time to get funky, baby!
They said we ain't got no competition, man. The difference between the Chiefs, I'm on City Celebs, and the difference between the Chiefs, we build dogs from scratch. We don't go get dogs from other teams, we build them from scratch. All of our guys you never even heard of before.
We should be fired up. We work hard all week. Hard work. Hands up! It's time to get paid today, baby. Vote up. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna execute. We're gonna do what we do. We're gonna be respectful. Then we're gonna play hard. We're gonna play nasty. We're gonna play with sportsmanship. We're gonna. Y'all know what we're gonna do. Ain't that right? Let's go.
We don't care about none of that shit. Go in here and represent. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, coach.
We don't care about none of that shit. Go in there and play football. Fast and physical. It's another day. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, coach.
Let's go.
Set the tone, baby.
Family on me, family on three.
1, 2, 3, family.
Who's doing the talking? Go, shake hands. The other way.
Nah, man, I face the clock. Come on, man. Hey, fellas, here's my coin.
Heads. Tails.
What are you gonna call?
Tails. It's heads. You want to talk. What would you like to do? The first to the second half. Backs over here. I got these guys as toast to receive. Shake hands, gents.
Oh, it's gonna be a long day.
Look like they're gonna be stout. Run up the middle. He ain't having it.
Face mask on the play though.
Number 5 would have run up the middle. 2nd and 5. Without a screen. Defense gonna slide up. Let's go. Gain of 2 on the play.
Okay. That was a nice open field tackle. Nice tackle right there. That was nice coverage by that kid. Number 1, SD Boats. I don't know his name yet, but I'm gonna find out if he keeps going crazy.
For the 13, they run it up the middle. Both defense with a great stop. That'll bring up 4th down. Most defense looking for a great stop to start this game. Quarterback scramble. He looks. Incomplete pass. Let's go. Both defense stand up.
I ain't gonna lie, Boats is surprising me right now. They came out with them penalties I didn't know.
Boys, they coming from the 27-yard line. Screen pass. Over for the 48-yard line. Number 1 takes the ball. Oh, he's wrapped up.
Dante, pay attention. What are you doing? You got deep there. Get your ass on the horse.
Vamos!
I ain't gonna lie, it's looking like this finna be a whoever scored first type of game.
Number 5 to the outside. He's looking to get upfield. We got 16 seconds left in the first quarter. This will be the last play if they complete it. Number 10 catches the ball. He's looking to get upfield. Great tackle by number 4 Warrior.
That was a nice pickup right there. Nice catch, nice pickup after the catch. I like that.
Get off the blocks. They're running bubbles. All they run is jet sweeps and bubbles. All right? Sit on that.
Watch, but make sure you can get back, guys.
Watch for
Oh, yeah, I can get back.
Okay, you gotta watch for both. Don't sit on one. Don't wait. Do your camp, Jojo. That's the pick.
First play of the quarter, number 7. I likes that.
Legal man downfield. Bring it back. Bring it back.
Bruh, that's the worst. Big play get called back on a flag. They said a legal man downfield.
Bail out, bail out, Drip. Bail out. Hey, listen to me. Take your re-steps. 1, 2, 3. Re-step, play the whole field. Run! You have the middle of the field.
He let one go.
Oh, I seen that flag to scare me for a minute. I'm like, I hate when that happens. You get a good play, then they throw that yellow little cloth. Nice job, number 7.
Listen, hurry up. Listen. There's no way in hell he should be getting behind you. So how the hell did he get behind both of y'all, right? Okay, cause what happened?
My
Let me
man
know.
was right here, but I see him.
Hey, you don't have it, man. We're in cover 3, bro.
Yeah, but my
No.
Okay. Now I know him. His name is Cairo. Cairo, number 10, LA Chiefs. That guy.
Quarterback, come on. Go jumbo.
Number 5 looking to get to the outside.
Boats ain't going out without a fight, man. I like that. That was a nice hit right there.
4th and 8. Chiefs look back. He throws it deep. Wide open. That'll be a touchdown over the middle. Flag on the play. I think 99 was upfield. Legal man downstream. Bring it back. Before the half.
Everybody else do.
Bruh, that is the worst. I hate when they call flags, but I guess it was an illegal man downfield. Man, that's my guy though. Shout out to Cairo, man. Shout out to the quarterback too. Nice catch, nice pass.
It's a bring up 4th and 13. Trees bringing the trickery. They bring the trickery.
Was wide open.
Go to the outside, Jackson.
You costing me right now down the field.
Oh.
Number 0 rolls out. He's looking for a receiver. He gave up on it.
TJ, you keep going this way. Stay wide.
Press, Carter, press, Carter, press, Carter, press, Carter. Come on, Carter! All right, boy!
Come on, 5. You gotta catch that, man. That's a pick to the crib.
Do what y'all been doing. Y'all got that?
Yes, coach.
It's easy money when you play next to boy football. You got that?
Yes, coach.
And this is what we're gonna do, baby. We're gonna get out here in the second half, and we're gonna show them exactly who's the better safe. All right? They're gonna pour everything out that they can, bro. Right? Trick plays, this, that, blah, blah. We're not having it, and they know it. Hey, Tank, what we do in the second half?
Win.
What we do in the second half?
Win.
Coaches.
All right, boys, come on. Fire it up. Fire in the hole. That's right. That's right.
That was a nice return to start off the quarter. I likes that. Number 9, good run.
Max on the carry, looking to the sideline, trying to get upfield. Okay, we stopped the little. Incomplete pass.
SD Boats ain't going nowhere, man. That kid's name is Tank. Shout out to Tank. Number 1, Tank, SD Boats.
That's first down.
Ooh, I like that. 99. Okay.
Before the touchdown.
Okay, I kind of got the back end of that, but that was a nice run by number 5. But they called it back due to celebrating before he hit the end zone, man. He got ejected out the game, unfortunately. I didn't know you couldn't celebrate, like, throw up a peace sign. I thought it'd just be a penalty or something and you still get the touchdown, but nah, they ejected the kid and took away the touchdown. The Chiefs is kind of like kicking themselves, man. It's penalty after penalty. It should be like at least 18-0 right now. Nice pickup by that kid, number 3. They call him Wheels.
I'm yelling. Ain't nobody looking over. I told you to scoot over. I said over.
I know, but the other one
Don't listen to him. Who's the DC? See, listen to who? I don't care about nobody else. I'm telling you to do it for a reason. And if you would have did what I told you to do, this wouldn't be happening, okay? Relax. Go get him now!
Everybody doing their job and it's on y'all. It's one person that they unaccounted for. Guys!
Oh, what's up, man? You can say so, man. Wait, hold on. Hey, shout out to George, man, number 21 with that touchdown. Easy money. What you gotta say, man? You on camera.
Best in the nation.
Best in the nation?
Best in the nation.
We're like that. 9U. Best 9U in the nation.
Best 10U in the nation.
Let me butt up, so you let me get wet up for fucking with my chest. It's cold like the sun. Nigga grab your sweat. And that bad bitch you fucking with, nigga, she get you set up.
Get up back! Nico, hurry up! Get up, Nico! Get up, Nico! Go, Nico! Oh, shit.
Hey, told you, right? We don't really pop that shit like that, man. We just chief development, you know what I'm saying? We don't really pop no shit, man. This is light work, man. This ain't nothing.
Easy dub. 25-0. The third team. Terrible.
Hey, what's up, City Celebs? Number one in the nation.
Number one in the nation. Donut.